Hello everyone!
Hello!
Today we are going to make a heart-shaped pinata for
My party!
Millie's birthday party. So I've done pinatas for the last few parties. I've done a Paw Patrol one, a Minion one. I did Paw Patrol one last year. It was the shape of a bone. The Minion one was an actual minion that was made from from a balloon, making papier-mâché. What else have I done?
I think you've done a Star Wars one.
Oh, no, I did a Frozen one, which
Yeah.
was the shape of Olaf. So I've got a bit of a reputation for making pinatas. And this year, Emily said she wanted a heart-shaped pinata.
With a rainbow on it.
With a rainbow on it, so we'll see about that. But what I'm thinking of doing is I've got rainbow coloured tissue paper that I thought we could put different stripes of streamers on it. We'll see how we get on with that. So we obviously want to try and do this as cheaply as possible. So I went to Aldi, my favourite shop, in around where you get the toilet paper and the kitchen roll. You can get these really massive pieces of cardboard. They're not that strong, which is fine because I'm making a pinata and the kids are going to bash it. So I've got this massive piece of cardboard and for free, and I am going to show you now what we're going to do with it to make a pinata for Emily's party. Yay! Right, so first I'm going to take the cardboard and just try and freehand draw a heart on one side. So I'm going to need 2 hearts, and then I'm going to need a strip of cardboard as well to go around the edge to make it 3D. So that's the first plan. I haven't got a template or anything because it's going to be quite big, so I'm just going to try and freestyle draw a heart onto the cardboard. So I have freehand drawn a heart on there, so I'm going to cut it out and then I'm going to use it as a template on the other side to do the back of the pinata. So now I've got my 2 hearts cut out and I've got front and back. So now I need to cut out a strip of cardboard which is going to make the pinata 3D, and obviously that's where all the sweeties are going to go. So I'm going to cut a strip of cardboard out of what I've got left, so not waste any of it, and then I'll be putting it together.
And
okay.
I can show you what sweets we're going to put in there.
Yes, but that not yet. We won't put them in yet. Right, so I've cut my 10cm strips and I'm going to start fixing it onto the heart with just with some masking tape. So I'm obviously not trying to make this really hard to break. So what the good thing about this cardboard is it's quite thin and it will just go around corners, quite curves quite well. Hello Emily, little bear there. That's what we call you, isn't it? Bear. You are a little bear. So I'm just gonna take some pieces of masking tape that I just had at home anyway, and just lightly sticking. So I'm not looking for perfection here.
Because we're only using it once.
We are only using it once, Bear. It's gonna get broken, isn't it? Gonna get bashed.
And I'm the person who's gonna bash it.
Why do we call you Bear?
Because I'm like a bear and I'm a little bear.
Yeah, it's because you're little, aren't you? You are a little bear.
Like Paddington.
Okay, now I have put the cardboard all around, so I've used the masking tape just to put that so it looks like this, and I've left a gap in the top, and that's so that we can feed the sweets in. Hello everybody!
Hello.
Right, so now I have stuck the front of the heart on, and I put some extra masking tape just around the edge, so everything is sealed up, nothing's going to move. I've still got my hole in the top, and that's going to be to put the sweets in, but also the hanger. So I've just got a little piece, a little stick, which was a garden cane. I've just cut it a little bit to size and got a piece of string on it, and the idea is I'm going to put that in like that, and it's going to hang up like that at the end. So I've got that made and ready, so the next step is to start decorating the piñata. Next job is to decorate, and what I've done is got some rainbow tissue paper. So it's all these different colours together in one sheet. Bunch down, Emily, can't see you. So then what I've done is I've just cut the tissue paper into strips, and then I'm just going to I'll just show you on a couple of pieces. I've just cut them into long strips like this, and then I'm going to fold them in half. Hello. Lovely. And then I'm just going to fringe it. So I'm just going to cut little fringes on like a piñata that you buy in the shops. And I'm going to start putting the gloopy glue on the heart. You could use hot glue actually, couldn't you? But as soon as I've got my little Emily with me, I don't think we better use hot glue. So then we're going to take a strip of our coloured paper, and we're going to start right at the top, aren't we?
That one.
That one. And we're going to stick it on. Okay. Okay, so now we're decorating our piñata. We've already done this little bit over here. And I think, having started, that we probably should have started at the bottom. So this time we're going to do that, okay? The reason being that you want your little piñata little bits, the paper, to stick up. So I'm going to paint a little bit of glue across here, and then Emily's going to get a really nice piece of, maybe a little bit longer.
It looks really good. We nearly finished all of it. So we're gonna do the bits around in a minute when we finished it all, and it looks like a real rainbow homemade.
So when I come to do these, so we've done all of the front of the heart, which looks amazing, although we've learnt a bit as we've done it, haven't we, the best way to do it. And then when we come to do the sides, again, I'm gonna start at the bottom rather than the top, so I've learnt that, and do a line. Emily actually is more interested in the fact that I'm using PVA glue, and now that she can pick it off her fingers, so she's sort of given up. So it's just me doing it. So what I do is I'll start from the bottom, and I've just got some smaller bits of the tissue paper, and I'm just going to do this and work my way up. I've got a feeling this is going to be a bit of a long night. Hello, we're back, and it's day 2 of piñata making. So last night, once Emily had gone to bed, I carried on with the piñata. So as you can see, that was the side that we did yesterday with Emily's help. With Emily, boo! And then last night I did all the edges And again, what I did was I started at the bottom, line of glue, stick next one on, stick and carry on all the way up to the top. And then I did the back, and actually I'd say this is probably going to be the front because actually quite happy with that. That went on really well. So really happy with that. You happy, Emily?
Yeah, I really like it.
So the next job is to fill it with sweets, and Emily's got an array of sweets down here to show you.
Chewy.
And we're just going to start popping them in the hole in the pinata. We've also got some Chubba Chup lollies. They're going in. We've also got some of these Fruity Chews from Aldi. They're going in.
And we got the
More lollies.
lollies.
Drumsticks are actually a bit of a family favourite, so I'm a bit not really sure if I want to put... Ah, didn't go in. Not sure if I want to put them in. Put them in, Bear. Yay. And then we've got some little packets of Haribos, and I've made sure there is one for everybody.
And the strawberry.
Here we go. Right, so now we have finished the pinata. As you can see, it is full of sweets and it is ready to use. Emily's got something to knock it with. What have we got? She's got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle staff that she's going to bash it with on the day. So we're really pleased with how it's turned out. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
It's going to be good, isn't it, for your party? Yeah, so here is a final look at the pinata. Thank you for watching today. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not one if you're not one of my subscribers, then please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.